I asked ChatGPT what is a popular holiday drink in the United States and Canada. The first response was eggnog, a creamy, spiced drink. Then I asked, what is a popular holiday drink in Aruba? And the answer was Ponche Crema, also a creamy, sweet, spiced drink. So I had an idea. I packed up a small table, went to the store to grab Aruba's festive Christmas favorite, along with the eggnog to do a little fun taste test. Let the battle begin between the two creamy holiday favorites. I found locals and tourists to be our lovely participants in the taste test. You have to tell me which one you like better.
Okay, so I'll try the eggnog first since I think I don't like the eggnog.
Ponche Crema. It got a little kick to it.
To my surprise, everyone took it pretty seriously, carefully considering every sip. Our new friends were really tasting both the eggnog and Ponche Crema carefully
Nice.
before deciding which one they liked better.
Delicious.
Now that we've tasted the drinks, which did people prefer?
I like that.
That I like more.
This tastes a little spicy. I would guess this is from down here because it's a little spicy.
For the eggnog.
You prefer the eggnog?
For the eggnog.
Which one do you like better?
Both.
And out of the two, now you're familiar with eggnog, you said.
I love eggnog.
Between the two, which one did you like better?
The one with the liquor.
The one with, oh, you like the Ponche Crema better?
Yeah.
Okay.
The flavor was really good.
And the consistency.
And the consistency was, I thought, a little thicker too than the other one.
Here are some final takeaways from the taste test.
People like to drink eggnog and rum, and it definitely is a drink that only comes out during the holidays.
It has a taste like cinnamon or something like that. Nutmeg, a nutmeg taste, yeah.
The Ponche Crema is good. It's boozier than I was expecting. I'll try it again. It's kind of a bit more buttery than the eggnog.
And what do you love about eggnog?
I like the flavor, the consistency of it,
And just the
just the
fact that
taste,
it's part of
yeah.
It's part of the
it seems like it's a
season.
holiday drink.
Right, it's holiday.
The creamy holiday drinks. Yeah. I think, like I said, people put rum with eggnog. Ponche Crema is ready. You don't even have to do the next step. You're just ready to go.
Let me try it. Dit is eggnog.
I think Angela here has the best idea for the two creamy holiday favorites.
Delicious.
Just like how Aruba blends diverse cultures together during the holiday season, we can also bring the best of traditions together in one delicious sip.
Delicious.
Which one do you like better?
Both. We can mix them together and drink it.
The Ponche Crema and
Eggnog, yes. Do it. Yeah.
I also took the opportunity to ask our repeat visitors and our locals what is so magical about this time of year in Aruba.
It's like my calm before the storm. We usually choose the week before, the first week in December. So we relax and get ready for our holiday, which is very hectic back in the States. So this is my calm. I kind of group, rest and relaxation. The beaches are the best, the food, everything. The people, like Walter said, it's just a wonderful place to spend time for R&R. And then we go home and we get into the craziness of Christmas, which is also fun for us too.
What is your favorite thing about the holidays in Aruba?
Well, I think the food, but mostly when I was young, the food was different than now. Because at that time, we don't have ayacas, we don't have turkeys. It's the American that bring the turkey over here.
It's a great break to get away from the hassles of getting ready for Christmas. And so we definitely come here to relax, enjoy ourselves. There's, we just hang out on a beach. We always meet up with some friends, and it's like our thing. We've been coming here for I don't even know how many years, 10, 12, 15 years. I can't keep track of how long I've been here.
Because of the, how do you call it, the lights you have around everywhere in the night, it's giving a nice atmosphere.
The light, the family time, the food, because we eat something different that we don't eat the whole year.
It's beautiful. The people are beautiful here. Everything is so nice in Aruba. I love this island. It's my favorite island.
Yeah, I love the lights, love all the big decorations. It's great.
Small family. Small family. The family visit each other and they bless each other. They are happy that it's New Year, it's Christmas again. That's it.
It does feel like Christmas here. I enjoy it. And it's totally different than Christmas where, I mean, it's cold and snowy where we're from, so it's a different world, right?
Yeah, it's great. It's a happy island.